Artwork Fly.
The National Gallery of Jamaica, Modern Art. Backyard by David Pottinger, 1945. Nine Night by David Pottinger, 1949. Grand Finale of the Tea Party by Carl Abrahams, 1959. Mother and Child by Barrington Watson. Spirit of the Island by Cleveland Morgan, 1957. Christ by Carl Abrahams. Colonization 2 by Eugene Hyde, 1960. Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Hallelujah by Carl Abrahams. Athlete's Nightmare by Barrington Watson. City Life by Osman Watson, 1968. The Lord is My Shepherd by Osman Watson, 1969. Horsehead, Masquerade, Osman Watson, 1970. Profile by Colin Garland, 1970. End of an Empire by Colin Garland, 1971. King Street and Berry Street by Sidney McLaurin, 1971. Triangle by Barrington Watson, 1972. Dove Heart by Everald Brown. In the Beautiful Caribbean by Colin Garland. Backyard Preachers by Carl Abrahams. Core by Colin Garland, 1996. "33.5-Year Story of Christ" by Albert Artwell. Ginal by Cosmo White. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.